In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an Instagram feed to your Wix website. This is a fantastic way to showcase your vibrant Instagram photos directly on your site, keeping your visitors engaged and visually entertained. Let's dive right into it and ensure your Instagram content finds a place on your Wix space. First things first, navigate to the Wix website. Once you're logged in and ready, we're heading straight to the section where all the magic happens. Spot that apps icon? Give it a click. This is your gateway to enhancing your website with all sorts of functionalities. Once you're in the apps section, you're going to want to look out for the app market option. Think of this as a treasure trove of possibilities that can elevate your Wix website. Give the app market a click, and we're ready to dive in and find exactly what we're looking for. Now, in the search bar, this is where the fun begins. Type in Instagram. This is a simple but crucial step because we're about to bring your Instagram feed to life on your website. As soon as you hit enter, watch as the search results pop up. From the list, you should see an app called Instagram Feed. This is what we're after. Give it a click to bring up more details about the app and see how it can become a dynamic part of your website. The next step is to click on Add to Site. Doing this integrates the app with your Wix site, preparing it to host those beautiful Instagram images of yours. This process is seamless and straightforward. Just a click, and it's ready to be configured. Now that the app is added, you can start connecting your Instagram account to your Wix site effortlessly. Simply follow the prompts on your screen. The process usually involves logging into your Instagram and authorizing the connection, but don't worry, it's straightforward and intuitive. And there you have it, a fast and efficient way to get your Instagram feed up and running on your Wix website. This not only adds an interactive element to your site, but also keeps it fresh and engaging with real-time photo updates from your Instagram account. Feel free to tweak the display settings to suit your site's aesthetic, adjusting layouts, sizes, or anything else to make sure it looks just perfect. Show off those stunning snapshots and let your website visitors connect with your social media presence in a whole new way. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Dive into this digital adventure with confidence, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll uncover even more ways to elevate your online presence. Happy posting!